Namaste,
Namaste.
sir.
Namaste. How are you, madam?
I'm fine, sir. Good. Nice.
Today we'll be conducting a small uh, interview kind of a thing.
Okay. Yeah.
Whatever we started, what's your opinion
Okay.
and why you participated and what will be your next plan of action?
Okay.
Only you're going to discuss, you're going to talk about it and what you learned, what other what are the other aspects you learned about it. Then
Okay.
what will be the future plan of action and how do you want to make it?
Mhm. Okay. Yes.
Thank
So I can start discussing all these things.
you.
Namaste, all. When Datri introduced me to this Go Green initiative, I attended a couple of meetings and I got inspired by Vijay Kumar sir, the way his approach and collecting plastic is not only he didn't say no to plastic, NO, but he said KNOW. That part itself was very catchy. That was we have to understand what is plastic and why we have to segregate or why we should not put it in the garbage. I understood all those things, and I wanted to be part of this initiative, so I started segregating and collecting all the plastic wrappers. And wherever I see plastic, I just collect it and separate it, and I've started that process. And main thing is, I feel happy, the satisfaction which it gives me that I am not contributing to the garbage. I am not part of this. Um, I'm just taking care of the environment. That feeling, that happiness has motivated me to do more into this initiative. That is the happiness and the satisfaction is the basic reason why I'm continuing to do, and I feel I have to just continue to do and motivate more people into this initiative. And the selfless activity, like Vijay Kumar sir and even Datri, they conduct meetings and they keep motivating us. Sir is the main motivating factor, and we are all small elements in this full process, in the main process. This is my viewpoint in this initiative. The next plan of action is I would like to take this to more number of people, maybe educate them or create an awareness. And what happiness I am enjoying, what satisfaction I am getting, more people should get it, and the environment should be we all should have a friendly, eco-friendly environment, and the benefit we are only going to get, and our future generations are going to enjoy the benefit. So let us also be part of it. That is what is my opinion, sir.
I would like to ask one question.
Yes.
What was the support from your family member? What they
Support from
reacted?
yeah, myself, my husband, I have a daughter, and full support is there from my husband and daughter. They also don't put anything into the garbage. If they find it's the plastic, they give it to me separately. You're collecting, now take it like this. They give it to me separately. My husband or daughter also, when they go out and when they have a chocolate, if somebody gives a chocolate, the wrapper also husband brings it home and he gives it to me. You're collecting, no, keep this separately, he says. So I'm getting full support from my family.
And one more thing I would like to ask is, previously you used to put in the dustbin.
Yes.
Now you are collecting it.
Yes.
Did you realize how much plastic you were putting previously, and
Yes.
today what do you
Yes.
feel about it?
Now I'm happy in a way that now I'm collecting, but at the same time, somewhere it is pricking. So much of this I have been putting it in the garbage. It gives a guilty feeling. So many days I was not aware of these things and I was not taking care of it. At least now I have realized and I have started. That is the only positive thing I'm able to understand. But all these days I was putting it in the garbage, and I was also part of polluting the environment. I felt bad as well.
Okay. Never the late, always the today the best day to start
Start,
it.
yes.
At least we can reduce what quantity. See, globally it has been known as plastic pollution. The amount of plastic pollution is very high. The,
Yes.
the claim is there. What should be your guidance or your thought, your approach What should be the first step to reduce that pollution?
Okay, we have to take like small steps we have to start with. Like wherever we can minimize or avoid, we can minimize. Where we cannot minimize or reduce, we can reuse. Where we cannot reuse, also we can segregate and throw like dispose it off in a proper way, in a matured way, so that we don't pollute the environment. This is what is my 3 steps.
I agree with your point, but I would like to know, is there any way what is the biggest problem now? The people,
Uh,
suppose you wait people, what will be the biggest problem in
the
collecting the,
in collecting the plastic, what is the biggest problem? The acceptance level is not there. Like people feel like I alone change, what will happen to the environment? It's okay. Like that, acceptance factor is very less. That is
how
what
do
I feel.
how to plan to make them part of it?
Maybe we have to keep telling them again and again, and at one point of time, they have to accept it. It's
The,
like a
if
mental block.
you find any innovative thought or innovative approach, or you want to work on it,
I need to think on those lines. On those lines, I have never put my thought into it. Like,
you need to understand the human psychology.
yes,
See,
maybe
people
some.
use,
Yes,
reuse, or recycle it.
yes,
Recycling means you need a huge quantity.
yeah, correct,
Small quantity doesn't make any difference to the recycling units.
true.
Make it a bigger quantity.
Okay.
It has to come from the source of origin. Domestic plastic pollution, the contributing plastic, it may be around 5 to 10% of the total contribution whole world is facing about it. Segregation is the first step. Second problem comes to most of the people is collecting it,
Collective.
keeping it, occupying a room in a space.
Yes.
That, did you ever thought of it? Any suggestions? Any out of a blue?
Um, like the people, the municipal corporation people, when they collect itself, they can take it separately. That is my idea. I've been asking them, but they are
I,
not willing to do it. That is what.
is a different story. I'm talking about an individual family, individual contribution. What others do, I don't know. How do you make a collection and a happy collection? And in the process, how do you want to make it better?
Now I'm collecting, and we are all happy. We are not grumbling, or we don't have any problems in that. So I feel it. We are doing the process in a happy way only.
You show me your collection.
Yes, one.
You show me your collection. There are 2 plastic gunny bags.
Actually, three, sir. I'll just,
3.
yeah.
So this gunny bag,
Yes.
appearance wise, people may not get attracted to this. How do you make it attractive?
Okay. Okay. That way we can create some different kind of dustbin, which is more like what to say, like a toy, like a Barbie or something, and then put all those things. That can be done, like in a mall or something, where they have the dustbin, like
No,
cartoon characters. Those things we can try, and
no,
the
no.
plastic alone can go into that.
What I'm asking is using the same plastic, whatever the collection that you have it.
Okay.
In that, can you make something out of it?
This also I have never put my mind into it, because due to this,
The
like
beginning of
now,
a stage. This is the beginning of a second stage.
okay,
And this same waste, how do we make it attractive for a collection, motivate other people?
okay.
You know scout knots?
No, I have not gone for scouting classes. I am not aware of it. That is it.
That is the one thing that you learn, which will be useful in the life also.
Okay,
Those knots will help you to how to make a rope out of all this plastic polythene
okay,
bags. Have it.
okay.
See, this is how I converted my bottle joining.
Okay, okay. Sir showed me last meeting. Yes, sir. Yes.
You want joining like this, then you go convert it into a round shape or a rectangle shape,
Okay.
keep it in a corner. On the top of it, one you put a flower pot, one you start collecting the waste in it.
Okay.
This will look like a article attraction for the people.
Okay. I understand.
Instead, we'll make those plastic
Okay.
as a thread.
Okay.
Apply
But
to
frankly,
make.
yeah. Frankly speaking, sir, the time availability or how much time we'll be able to spend doing this process, I'm afraid to get myself committed in that thing.
I'm not asking you to commit it.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
saying possibilities.
Okay. Understood.
The possibility. How do you make it attractive? If you have it, if you want to make the people participation, it has to be attractive.
Attractive.
That's what the people think.
Okay.
And secondly, the municipal corporation or whatever the people collection, and if everybody is not segregating and giving it to them, once again they will put it together because it is not a one man's contribution.
Job.
It is a
Yes.
collection
Yes.
of people. Those containers or in an innovative way, converting them to some kind of a artistic phase.
Yes.
Those will make people more attractive, and you can convert this into a shoe rack. You can convert this into a dustbin. You can convert it into a table. You can convert this into putting something.
Okay.
Hollow space can be utilized for putting the plastic in it. This is one way I found making others attractive.
Okay.
And
Lovely,
at
sir.
the time, what you said is the time is very important. Take an interest in it.
Yeah. That's right.
You need time. You have 24 hours. You have 24 hours. All over the world, people have only
Correct. That's
24
right.
hours. So now I will collect this particular, but you start applying a mind.
Flying. Understood. Yeah.
It out.
What next? Next level, what can I do? Yeah. Understood.
This is how the habit can be improved upon it. That's the second
Yes.
step is how to reuse it.
Reuse it. Okay.
Education and the same wastage you are reusing it.
Okay.
You're making something to reuse it. The
Okay.
third step is you are motivating the people. Fourth step is you're making a whole society to participate in it. That pleasure will be much more better. That's what my request to people is find an application to it.
Okay.
The creativity will be always approved. I'm conducting this interview only to make people through your interaction, because you have taken interest in the first step very wholehearted. Your family is supported. The next step will not be difficult.
Okay.
First step is a difficult step. The next step is not a difficult. Yes, it will happen.
Okay.
So all the best. Thank you very much, and we'll collect the thing, and we'll definitely give a surprise gift. I think 7 to 8 people have participated in Chennai. I'll be sending a surprise list to all the people, and it will be collected 21st or 26th, whichever they convenient to the recycling area. Thank you very much. Please
Thank you
convey
so much, sir.
your
Thank you.
family members
Yes,
best
sir.
of luck.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Uh,
Namaste, sir.
Madam, you want to say something? Nantri is not there.
Yeah, she's there, but I think she's in mute, so I don't know.
He's busy. Most busiest person in the world. Okay, ma'am. I think
Yes,
we
sir.
need to interrupt and we'll take.
Yeah, she's there. She came.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
any comment or any your opinion?
Uh, Sir, my opinion is she got the interest, and even in the that is Go Green group, which I'm like no.
Ours is not a go green group. It is our group is what you call reduce one, produce one. इतना तो हम
Right.
करते हैं, इतना तो हम कर सकते हैं. I can do it at least this much. Segregating is the first step for reducing any kind of a pollution. इतना तो हम segregation कर दिया तो next becomes easy for reutilizing it or recycling it or discarding it. If I don't segregate it, you are making the same process again and again by n number of people. That's what we would like to help the society or the authorities or the industry so that their efforts can be reduced. इतना तो कर ही सकते. हर family can do at least this much. So what the communication we would like to make it. And once you start collecting it, it becomes interesting to me. So we'll continuously work on it, and in a number of ways we can promote applications. How do we make it a better thing out of it? How do we motivate other people? Motivation is some kind of a recognition. That definitely I'm going to provide it. It is not question of money. It is a question of participation. So, thank you very much for coordinating for Chennai and getting most valuable and interested, sincere people who are thinking to contribute something at their best capacity to the society. Thank you very much. We'll meet.
Thank you, sir. We have to thank you for guiding us and making us, giving this awareness. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome. We'll continue. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Katri?
Yes, sir.
We'll continue after 5 minutes. Whoever is coming, just call.
Okay. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.